Hey guys, it's me, Coco77, and today I'm going to be doing a small little meal time. I don't have 23 grams, I have more, so you might hear some bangs in the backgrounds because of my friend is texting me, so I'm going to open up my mail time today, so yay! I already opened up a couple, so those are the ones that does not say 23, so I think I have like 26, yeah. I opened up 3, so. Alright, so first jammogram is from AppleGirl1661. Happy Jammo Days. 2. Giant gift pile. Okay, I actually needed this, so I'll keep that. Thank you, AppleGirl. AppleGirl1661. I really like her phantom. It's so cute with like light. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. I know you like this color. Yay! Heard these things were going out of style, like, two days left and 3 days left. It's very sad. Amber Jam Rocks, AppleGirl1661. Yeah, I really need these. I really want baseball caps and some of the cleats too. Jeez, I got a lot from that. Baseball cap, yay! It's white that time. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep on guessing baseball caps. Thank you. This is just... Amber Jam Rocks. Oh my goodness. These are going to... Yep. Wow. What for your makers? Oh, that was my friend. Please keep it. Yay, baseball cleats. Well, let me see what she said. Yay. Jeez, am I only getting mail time from AppleGirl? Wow. Yay. I can tell that I'm gonna have like, they're going. Yeah, they're going. Here. Yay. You deserve this too. Yay! Oh my goodness, I really like the greenhouse window. Beehive! Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, really like that. We're done. More jam rocks. Yay! Another baseball cap. Jeez. Laugh out loud. Ooh, that's so pretty. Thanks for being a good buddy. AppleGirl1661. Oh. Congrats. And jam rocks. Ooh, yay, purple eyeball hat. And jam rocks. Finally a different username. Perped. They look friendly. Ooh, a deer toy, thank you. Kaya. I really like that name tag. It's like really pretty because it's purple and then the flower just so pretty. Ooh, a patch of fog. Thank you. I needed that. Whoa. Thank you. Kaya. Ooh, phantom crate. He seems mad. Thank you. Right, well that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to do more mail times that are longer, but thank you for watching. So I'm going to give shout outs to some more people. I'm gonna be giving those people shout outs. I shouldn't have recycled all of that. Alright, let's go to my board. Congratulations everyone who's made it on my shoutout board. Congratulations to Applegirl1661, Swifty Rocks, Jessie882, Pepper, and Kaya. And actually, I spelled that right because I went back in my videos and looked. So, congratulations and thank you guys for sending me gifts for my video because I've been trying to save up my jamograms. So, I'm gonna try to save up some more of my jamograms, and I'm giving a special thanks to Applegirl1661 for sending me a lot. Thank you. So yeah, bye guys.